You idiot. You broke your promise again. Look at yourself. You still have a chance.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Disgusting. Simping over TV woman does not get you anywhere. Get some therapy. I was too late to save the audience. Now you'll face consequences.
Like the video if you want to see the end.
You pathetic simp. How dare you to infect the audience? Don't worry, I just made it in time. On second thought, why are you here? I'm pretty sure you know what's the title of this video. Explain yourself. For God's sake, can you stop simping for 5 You dug your own grave.
Wow, sir, you are a hero. Please take this Oscar.
You can always trust me. I don't need to have any Oscar, as long as I have chads like you who don't simp. W to all of you.
Opila will find you!
That bird? TV man set a trap for him, so he should be already dead.
Soon, every single person in this planet will become a simp, and there's no one to stop us.
Wait, how are you still alive?
I should be asking you the same question. This world is already a mess. Let's make it stop getting worse.